Good morning, guys. Um, Today I want to show you how we build a Bester blocks. It's a concrete block retaining wall in that area. We need to excavate this part and move the soil, and the wall is 400 from the boundary to the house to stop the soil from the neighbor house. This house is lower than the neighbors, and we need to retain the soil behind the retaining wall. The retaining wall will start from 4 course in that area, and then a step down to 3, 2 and 1 at the end. First job, cleaning and excavation. We bring the small excavator, can be accessed to the side of the house, and then we dig and excavate the footing, and then we check it by the laser level following the plan, and then I show you how we fix it or build it. So we removing existing fence. The old timber fence is all damaged. We remove that, and also we continue excavating in the boundary line, and then I will show you what's the plan for the footing. And we have to following the plan because the council certifier comes to check in the next step how we fix the steel work for the concrete and how is the footing. And then if he's okay the plan, we continue to put the concrete on top. This is the excavation part. So as you can see the plan, this is the retaining wall 170 1.7, it's 4 course, and then 12.8 it's 3 course, and then 1 course at the end, hole 17 meter long. And this is a detail of the wall. This is a footing for the wall if it's 4 courses. This is a footing 135. The concrete is there and the steel works. And for 3 courses it's 1 meter wide and 200 deep for the concrete footing. And in that a small part, 1 courses and 1.5, it's 500 mil wide and 200 deep for the footing of the concrete. We try to following the detail of the wall. This is an engineering detail for the retaining wall, and we have to follow the exact details of this. So we excavate the existing soil, and now we're setting the footing, and we check the level of the concrete and the footing by the laser level. We set the laser level. As you can see, it's rotary and showing the level of the by the laser. And now Tom help you. If you see that, I want to show you how it works. We set the level, turn it on. Now this is the dip. If you can see the arrow, it's going down. And now this is the level of the footing. You can see it's showing there. And we have to follow that by the excavator all through the footing. We check every point when excavator working, and that gives us a perfect result at the finished excavation. Yeah, that's good, and we have to follow that. Remove the soil, and then the black is verify the laser level. Now we find the rock in the footing area, and we have to verify the black hammer, attach it to the excavator, and hammer the rock to the worker. So today we're coming to fix the formwork and steel works to set it. So now we set the line to fix the steel bar for the blocks. And as you can see, the steel mesh sitting on the plastic chair and the side of the level, and then I'm going there, show you how was that. This is a two-layer mesh, as the detail said. The small chair in the bottom and the big one on top. This is a long one and this is a small one, because it's two layer of the chair sitting on top of each other, as showing on the detail. Setting the line. And we do the finish of the work. All the timber work, formworks will be set by the laser level to be under the house slab. That one should be lower than this one, as showing on the plan. That's a house slab, and this is the finish of the footing slab.
We're on the lunchroom, you're on the pokies.
No, we have lunch now.
Yes, Dad, yes. Yep.
Okay, now it's setting of the starter bar now. What's that? This is okay, that's the shape of the starter bar. N12 steel bar, folded 500 by 500, then connect to the mesh. Then he tied it to the mesh.
Taking a video for next time?
No, I'm taking a video. Take a video for YouTube.
Yeah, that's it. See, Tom, I told you we can do this.
YouTube?
Last night,
You doing
YouTube last night. We watched the video.
our video? Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
you're all right.
So, as you can see, the star bar, actually that's 600 by 600, tied to the bottom mesh, and all in the line, in the angle. As you can see on the details, we have two chairs, 195 to 100, the big one, and 55 to 60 for the small one, for the top chair. And that's set on the formwork all through. It's ready for tomorrow inspection. And that's the tied, how they did, tie the wire, and goes all through to the end. And the board is stop the soil. Tonight is rainy. We start to stop the soil from the side, not coming to the formwork. So guys, today it's a concrete time. For this job, we ordered the pump. We need to pump the concrete from the street through the pipe is coming up to there. First we set up the pump and the pipe. We start from the end, and then we laying concrete for the footing. And I show you how it attached to the mixer by the pump and coming to there. So trucks coming, the mixer, concrete, bring 5.2 cube concrete, put it to the pump, and then we'll pump it by the pipe through the job. And then guys working on that side. We're waiting for the concrete and then going.
I've got to come the way up.
We check the finish level RL for the footing, and then make it finish on top of that by the laser level. Check the level. And to finish the surface, that's the bull float. Working there to make it a smooth, nice finish. The
Grandma told me that the city was evil. Care about going until he believe it. Oh, when I went on, I give you receive. I make it up on what it seemed to be. I'm a youngest killer, kick up game. I left home, never looked back, and not saying a mess. I'm at the stage where I can talk rich talk. I'm coming for the big yachts, and I won't get stopped. I'm like 25 and I just made 5. I never brag with it too hard. Dang, I never lie. A nigga stay quiet, and you see no lie. Me, you kid, nobody, and you stay no right. I done done, I done city don't love now. I never much shame when I see no bomb, but how to go from my clubs to an arena and go to arenas on me, the game with the beat. I'm like, game and the type of nigga game and the brave nigga, not a fucking bitch with no shame. And the wife, and then I make it the baddest in the game. It's the same bumpin' Z in the moose land, like you know the way, man. It wasn't them the same, wasn't born into the rich like me. You fakes, I ain't tall, I wasn't getting no stain. I don't feel no funny when you get no later. I just wanna say look tight. I just wanna wait and stay. I didn't wanna make it love. I don't wanna make it stop. Say you're done. Someone wanna game to stop. Kill it all the time. I just wanna, yeah. Grandma told me that the city was evil. I care about going until he believe. Oh, when I went on, I give you receive. I make it up on what it seemed to be. I'm a youngest killer, kick up game. I left home, never looked back, and not saying a mess. I'm at the stage where I can talk rich talk. I'm coming for the big yachts, and I won't get stopped. I'm like 25 and I just made 5. I never brag with it too hard. Dang, I never lie. A nigga stay quiet, and you see no lie. Me, you kid, nobody, and you stay no right. I done done, I done see don't love now. I never much shame when I see no bomb, but how to go from my clubs to an arena and go to arenas on me, the game with the beat. I'm like, game and the type of nigga game and the brave nigga, not a fucking bitch with no shame. And the wife, and then I make it the baddest in the game. It's the same bumpin' Z in the moose land, like you know the way, man. It wasn't them the same, wasn't born into the rich like me. You fakes, I ain't tall, I when you get no stain. I don't feel no funny when you get no later. I just wanna say look tight. I just wanna wait and stay. I just wanna make it love. I don't wanna make it stop. Say you're done. Someone wanna game to stop. Kill it all the time. I just wanna, yeah.
X on this mission time. And that's what life is sway.
thank you for following us, and I show you in the next video how we laying the blocks there. Thank you.